2022. Due to COVID situation, we cannot celebrate the Independence Day with students at school. Therefore, we are in the position to celebrate virtual Independence Day program by using technology with our parents and students. St. Joseph School is proud that parents are part of our legacy. Our thoughts and prayers are with you as you navigate the exciting chapters in your life. St. Joseph School has a strong curriculum of academic excellence with high moral values from LKG to 10th standard. Respect, serving others, having a positive attitude and understanding responsibility are the cornerstone values of our school. The management, faculty and students are excited to present virtual Independence Day program. Wishing you all 75th Independence Day of our nation.
Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It's something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom. Happy Independence Day and good morning everyone.
The upright principal, high-minded teachers, kind-hearted parents and dear shining fellows. Today is 15th August, the 75th birthday of our motherland. Today we have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating Independence Day of our beloved country.
So I, Stevelyn Goldina,
And I, Charishma Scarlett,
from the core of our hearts, welcome you all for today's function on behalf of the entire school family. We will have a traditional, auspicious flag-waving ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. So, I request all of you to stand up and show your respect and veneration towards our united nation India. I would like to call upon Sister Josephine to hoist our flag.
Full attention. Stand at ease. Full attention. Stand at ease. Full attention. Last salute. Order.
பாரத தேவியின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி பக்தியுடன் அதை வணங்குவோம் வாரி. பாரத தேவியின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி பக்தியுடன் அதை வணங்குவோம் வாரி. பலவளமுழதென குறித்திடும் பச்சை பரிசுத்த தியாகத்தை காட்டிடும் மென்மை. பலவளமுழதென குறித்திடும் பச்சை பரிசுத்த தியாகத்தை காட்டிடும் மென்மை. நலமுடன் பக்தியை ஊற்றிடும் காவி நடுநிலை பண்பினை விளக்கிடும் சக்கரம். பாரத தேவியின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி பக்தியுடன் அதை வணங்குவோம் வாரி. வீரர்களுடல் பொருள் ஆவியும் கொடுத்து சீரமையடி சிறை அனைத்தையும் கொடுத்து வீர
வீரர்களுடல் பொருளாவியும் கொடுத்து தீரமையடி சிறை அனைத்தையும் பொறுத்து சீரணம் பாரத தேவிக்கு உழைத்து சீரணம் பாரத தேவிக்கு உழைத்து திகழ்வரை குறித்திடும் ஜெய கொடி பாரி பாரத தேவியின் மணி கொடி பாரி பக்தியுடன் அதை வணங்குவோம் பாரி.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders. Treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Let's invoke God's blessing by listening to the prayer song.
God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He walks in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way. By the roadways in the wilderness, He will lead me. He was in the desert, will I see. Heaven and earth may fade, but His words will still remain. He will do something new today. Oh, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He walks in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will make a way.
Welcoming is an art and it's proud from the heart. To impress it at this juncture, I would call Jyotsna to a red carpet welcome to everybody assembled here.
A warm greetings to our principal, respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to the Independence Day celebration. Today it's our 75th Independence Day and we should feel proud to be a part of an independent nation. As freedom of speech, freedom to live our life in our own way. Independence Day is an important day to keep the spirit of patriotism alive. A hearty welcome to our principal sister Rosemary, who has joined in this event in spite of her busy schedule. We are so honored to have you sister here. I could like to invite all the teachers and students present here to make the ceremony worthwhile. Your presence makes us very happy. Special welcome to our dear parents who are the sole reason for this function. Join and witness the Independence Day function. Once again, I welcome one and all present here.
Thank you, Jyotsna. Celebrating our 75th Independence Day full of enthusiasm and patriotism. To enhance this feeling of enthusiasm and patriotism, we are going to invite Anish Fatima of 9th A with her speech.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the people who fought for it, to the people who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. We can proudly say that India has never invaded any country in its 10,000 years of history. On this occasion, our thoughts first turn to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our struggle for freedom and the leaders who made the supreme sacrifices for our country's liberty. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Red Fort, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Also, a salute is given to the national flag by firing 21 guns with the national anthem, and a helicopter showers tricolor flowers on the flag. This year, in 2021, our country and other countries are fighting the battle of Corona, COVID-19. Many countries around the world have seen and are seeing cases of COVID-19, and most are experiencing outbreaks. So, let us protect ourselves and others from the spread of COVID-19 by staying home, staying safe, and by self-isolating ourselves. Hence, to conclude, it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and program together for the growth and development of our country, and by making it strong in all aspects. So, let us be one and live up to the motto, united we stand, divided we fall. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Fabulous speech, Anish Fatima. Thank you for your inspiring words. Now, I would call upon Durga from 8A to mesmerize us with a beautiful patriotic song.
India, 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 எங்கள் தேசம் இந்தியா, 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 எங்கள் தேசம் இந்தியா, வருஷமெல்லாம் பூக்கள் பூக்கும் வசந்த தேசம் இந்தியா, 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 ஓடுகளால் வருகின்ற தேசம் அல்லவா இந்தியா, கொள்கைகளால் வருகின்ற தேசமடா இந்தியா, மூன்று பக்கம் கடல் கொண்ட தேசம் அல்லவா இந்தியா, நான்கு பக்கம் புகழ் கொண்ட தேசமடா இந்தியா, 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 வேறு வேறு மொழிகள் கூடி இங்கு விழுந்து நின்ற போதிலும் 100 கோடி நாவல் பேசும் நல்ல ஒற்றை வார்த்தை இந்தியா, 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 सारे जहान से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहान से अच्छा மேற்கு வேட்டையாட கல்லெடுத்த காலையில் கல் குலைந்து சிலை வடித்த கலைந்தேசம் இந்தியா, ஏழை மக்கள் முடி வளைக்க இது குவித்த வேளையில் வான் வரைக்கும் இலக்கியங்கள் வரைந்த தேசம் இந்தியா, காந்தி தேசம் இந்தியா, கர்ப்பின் தேசம் இந்தியா, அக்னி தேசம் இந்தியா, அகிம்சை தேசம் இந்தியா, 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 எங்கள் தேசம் இந்தியா, 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 எங்கள் தேசம் இந்தியா, 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 இந்தியா.
Thank you, Durga, for your Tamil song. Children are the sunshine of our lives. Their smile makes us smile, and their tear break our heart. They are small, yet beautiful gifts of God.
Today, our cute little buds of St. Joseph's School are going to make you smile and take you back to your childhood days.
So without wasting any more time, let's begin this fancy dress. I hope all will enjoy what these bundles are going to present.
Mahatma Gandhi, I was a great Indian freedom fighter. He was born 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Full name is Mohandas Ramchand Gandhi. I studied law from the University of London.
Morning to all. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Was born on 14th November
1889. I was born by children. So I was learning being called Chacha Nehru by children. I celebrate Children's Day and when birthday. I am president of non-animal movement. I am become the Prime Minister of India. Thrice. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you. Everyone, I am Subhash Chandra Bose. As born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack. My father is Netaji. My father's name is Janaki Bose. My mother's name is Prabha Devi. I am a left fighter. Bravely, Prabha, India freedom. He became the decision of the Indian national Congress in 1939. I am a different from Mahatma Gandhi. Because I'm a world freedom fighter. Good morning to everyone. I am Bhagat Singh. I was born on 27 September 1907 in Punjab. My father Kisan Singh was a freedom fighter. My mother Vidyavati was a housewife. I am an expert in reading and writing Urdu, Hindi, Punjabi and Gurumukhi. I dedicate my life for the country. Jai Hind. Morning to all. My name is S. Kanishka. I am studying in UKG in St. Joseph Matriculation School, Satyamangalam. I am Indira Gandhi. I was born on 19th November 1917 in Allahabad. I was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in Kamala Nehru. My first woman Prime Minister of India. I love my country. I love my India. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
The fancy test held today stole our hearts. First of all, I will congratulate all the participants who have participated today. Everyone played their role very well. I wish all of you to have a bright future and a successful career in life.
Today, our hearts are full of patriotism, and to express our feelings, Geethan is here with us with his inspiring words from class 5th.
Respected principal, dear teachers, parents and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. First of all, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. I feel greatly honored to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British who ruled our country around 200 years. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai and many others devoted their lives for the independence of our country. Today we are very happy that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on the borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know that we must make our nation perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and process together for the growth and development of our country so that our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Geethan, for your valuable words. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Makes us relax, makes us alive. Sit back and wait for the rhythm of class 7 angels.
शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा करो कुर्बानी। से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, कि तुम दिन ये घर सुना सुना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको डराती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम।
अब तू हमें आगे बढ़ते रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। कदमों से मिलते हैं तो कदमों से कदम रखते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तू दिल दुश्मन के होते हैं।
थोड़ी सी खुशबू बहारी थी मस्त बनती, थोड़ी सी रोकने वाली जिसमें हो तुम ये संतू मिला मिला ले, तेरे रंग तो खिला खिला ले, और मोह तुरंत बसंती यारा मोह तुरंत बसंती। झुके तेरे आगे से तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे से तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी यादों में जात खिला दूंगी। तू ही तो चीज़ है तेरे कदमों में, हम टूटी उंगली से रूठी चढ़ा जाएंगे। मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन।
That was indeed a lovely performance. I'm sure everyone in the function felt the depth sound of music and engaged in the show. Now, Daphne is here to give honor to our freedom fighters in Tamil.
இன்று புதிதாக பிறந்தோம் என்று நாம் எண்ண மனதை திண்ணமுற இசைத்துக் கொண்டு உண்டு கழித்து இன்புற்று இருந்த நாம் இன்று தீமையெல்லாம் அழிந்து போம், அவை திரும்பி வாரா என்ற மன உறுதியோடு அவையோருக்கு என் இனிய வணக்கத்தை உரிமையோடு உரித்தாக்கி என் உரையை துவங்குகின்றேன். இந்திய திருநாடு தன் 75வது சுதந்திர தின விழாவை கொண்டாடுகின்றது. ஒவ்வொரு இந்தியரின் வாழ்விலும் நினைவிலும் நிற்கும் தினமாக கருதப்படுகின்றது. இந்நாள் நம் தேசத்தின் புதிய உதய நாள் மற்றும் புதிய தொடக்கத்தின் தொடக்க நாள் என்று சொன்னால் மிகையாகாது. நாம் சுதந்திரமாக நமது தாய் மண்ணில் சுதந்திர காற்றை சுவாசித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறோம்.
அதற்கு முதல் காரணம் நம் தேசிய தலைவர்களும் போராட்ட வீரர்களுமே. சுதந்திரம் என்ற ஒன்றை மட்டுமே கருத்தில் கொண்டு தமது இன்னுயிரையும் துறந்த மகான்களையும் தியாக உள்ளங்களையும் அவர்கள் போராடி பெற்று தந்த சுதந்திரத்தையும் இந்நாளில் நாம் களிப்புற கொண்டாடுகின்றோம். இனி என்றென்றைக்கும் கொண்டாடுவோம். தீபகற்பம் என்றும் பாரத தேசம் என்றும் என் தேசத்தை அழைப்பதில் நான் உளமாற மகிழ்கின்றேன். என் பள்ளியும் மகிழ்கின்றது. நாம் பெற்ற சுதந்திரத்தை பாதுகாப்போம் என்பது நம் தேசத்தை பாதுகாப்பது போன்றதாகும். அஞ்சாத நெஞ்சினராம், தியாகத்தின் திருவுருவாம், நேர்மையின் பிறப்பிடமாய், விடுதலை போரின் தளபதியாம், எம் தேசத்தின் தந்தையாம் அண்ணல் காந்தியடிகள் அறையே இம்மகிழ்ச்சி சேரும். உதிரங்களை புறமாக்கி உதித்த சரித்திரம் நம் சுதந்திரம். உதிரம் பல சிந்த இதயம் பல மகிழ்ந்த நாள் இன்று. அகன்றது அந்நியரின் நரித்தனம். ஜாதி, மதம், மொழி, இன பேதம் கலந்தும் ஒற்றுமை உணர்வுடன் வாழ நம் தேசத்தை நேசிப்போம். முகக்கவசத்தில் மூச்சடக்கி வாழும் இக்காலகட்டத்தில் நம் தேசத்தின் நலன்களையும் கருத்தில் கொள்வோம். தேசத்தின் நலனே நம் நலன் என்று உணர்வோம். இயற்கையை நேசிப்போம், நெகிழியை ஒழிப்போம். மரங்களை நடுவோம், மழையை பெறுவோம். தூய காற்றை சுவாசிப்போம், நோய் நொடி இல்லா வாழ்வை வாழ்வோம். அரசின் சட்ட திட்டங்களுக்கு மதித்து நடப்போம். ஒவ்வொரு ஆண்டும் சுதந்திர தினத்தின் போது இந்தியாவின் தனிப்பெருமைகளான வேற்றுமை, ஒற்றுமை, மதச்சார்பின்மை ஆகியவற்றை குலைக்காத வண்ணம் நடந்து கொள்வோம். முகக்கவசம் அணிவோம், முழுமையான பாதுகாப்போடு இருப்போம் என்று கூறி என் உரையை நிறைவு செய்கிறேன். உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். வாழ்க இந்தியா, வளர்க பாரதம்.
Thank you for your valuable words. Now, I request our principal to present her speech honoring the sacrifices of the heroes who made this day a special day for all Indians.
Good morning, dear parents, teachers, students and well-wishers of St. Joseph's School. I convey my heartiest greetings to you all on the 75th Independence Day of our nation. I hope you all are safe and secure during this pandemic time. The COVID-19 pandemic has halted the normal lifestyle of people across the globe. The virtual world has come to the secure. Amidst the deadly outbreak of COVID-19, I strongly believe that hope is strength. 15th August holds an everlasting place in our national memory and commands the respect of every Indian. On this auspicious day, I would like to pay my tribute to all those brave soldiers who fought for our country, integrity and independence. Our nation has gone through many difficult times, including wars, and have emerged as victorious nation. Today, we are collectively facing a COVID-19 pandemic threat that has created global health crisis and has had a deep impact on our lives. These are difficult times when we must join our hands in a common endeavor with a strong belief that better days are ahead of us. Nations across the globe have also joined this fight by using the great advances of science and technology. Together we are tackling this pandemic, and I want to reassure you that if we remain united, resolute, the responsible, and then we will be able to overcome it. It will be unfair if I do not mention the hard work and dedication of our true Corona warriors who have been at the forefront fighting this pandemic and coming forward voluntarily to extend their helping hands. I would like to express my gratitude to all the doctors, nurses, health workers, police officials, municipal workers, resident welfare associations, and friends from media for standing strong and shielding us throughout this pandemic. Your selfless contribution and tireless efforts have helped in averting a serious threat that is yet far from over. I am certain that you will keep these spirits alive and come together as before in containing the spread of this virus. From setting up of flu clinics, COVID-dedicated hospitals, COVID care centers, quarantine centers, providing round-the-clock ambulance services, making provision of house-to-house service with special emphasis on urban slums and colonies, the health department has done it all. We are entering into a new era of technology and it is the key aspect of learning. Now time has come to focus on online learning as it is the new methodology of teaching and learning. The concept of traditional education has changed radically as it has entered the new era, the revelation of online education. The pandemic situation has given an opportunity to proceed with online learning. Education is going to be digital in the future. At St. Joseph's, we are dedicated to a student-centered program that promotes academic excellence through an enriched, rigorous, interdisciplinary curriculum. Let us promise each other in setting and reaching attainable goals, working harder and smarter, and taking our school and student achievement to the next level of greatness. I congratulate everyone on this 75th Independence Day of our nation. Freedom does not come easily. We are all indebted to our national heroes who made this country what it is today. As patriotic citizens, let's put extra effort into performing our civic responsibilities. Our diversity should not be seen as a weakness, but as our strongest strength. It is only by working together that we can build a strong and thriving nation. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sister, for sharing your precious thoughts.
Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend our gratitude to everyone who made this program a grand success, I take pleasure inviting Ria Merlin to propose vote of thanks.
Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. Those who are prepared to die for any cause are seldom defeated. A delightful and a gracious morning to all of you. I am humbled as well as honored to propose this keynote of thanks at the behest of Reverend Sister Josephine, the Honorable Principal of our esteemed institution, Reverend Sister Mocha, the correspondent, and a bunch of lively and committed teachers on this occasion of our nation's 75th year of independence. God is a circle whose center is everywhere and circumference nowhere. Firstly, let me commence this keynote of thanks by acknowledging the benevolent and gratuitous graces of God, whose all-pervading presence and guidance is ultimately responsible for the smooth conduct of today's event. Secondly, a special note of thanks to our respected principal, Reverend Sister Josephine, for her meticulous planning, guidance and encouragement to make this virtual event a grand success. Thirdly, I acknowledge with gratitude the commitment of our loving teachers who have invested their precious time and energy to prepare the students for an impactful virtual performance. It's their collective
efforts in these challenging times that has made possible to showcase our respect and reverence to our motherland and the leaders of our nation whose sweat and blood is ultimately responsible for the freedom that we enjoy today. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the lively bunch of students whose rocking performance made this occasion bright and lively. Jai Hind.
I hope you all enjoyed the moment, but here is the time we say the end of the function. Before we sign up here, we wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
National anthem is the heartbeat of any Indian. So, I would like you all to stand up and sing anthem along with our group.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे